Hey everyone, good morning. It's 7:07. I just started editing my video and right now it's 49 minutes, probably because I recorded like every single show. So yeah, I really need to be like really bad. So if my dad's in the shower, I'm gonna start getting ready. So yes. Today we're gonna go to the Alamo and then we might go to the mall. But I also want to go to, I don't know how to pronounce it, Aquafina, I think. So we're gonna figure it out because we just figured out yesterday there's a mall literally right beside us. So that's really exciting. So I think I want to do the Alamo, then go to the water park, and then ride the rides we didn't ride yesterday, and then go to the mall. Because we left the park at like 3. But we're also gonna get to the park a little later. But it doesn't start getting busy till like 3, 2. So yeah. That's just what I think the plan is. Okay, so I just got dressed. This is from Wild Fable. I think I got it from Walmart. No, Target. These are from Walmart. And then my bathing suit, which I'm gonna wear to the water park. Because actually I really want to go to the water park. I'm gonna put you on my hoodie. This shirt, which I like, I've been eyeing this thing since I saw it from Walmart. It was on clearance. It's so cute, like the design. There's strawberries and it matches these shorts. So I'm gonna wear this to the park, and then my bottoms, I have no idea where these are from, but because I couldn't find the matching ones because the one I found were like 2 sizes too big. But I really want to get some actual bathing suit sets because I just wear these with every single bathing suit I own. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go back to editing my video now. I think I'm gonna eat my donut. I might put my socks on. I'm wearing pink socks because I'm wearing pink shorts. But yeah, I'm just chilling. Okay, so we're about to leave to go to the Alamo. I think that's what it's called. Pretty sure. And I'm bringing my bathing suit and my Crocs with me so I can just change into it when I get there. So yeah, we're about to leave. It's 7:51. We're about to leave. It's 8:19 and we're about to leave. But 16 hours and 3 minutes is crazy. We just parked, but we have no idea where the Alamo is.
When I was here a couple of years ago, none of this construction was happening.
The tour for the Alamo is about to start. It's 9:24. We have these earpieces to listen to them because we're downtown.
Hotel. That's official 100 years old. That sits outside the historic. Who was in the battle? What a horror to inspect the area and find remains of friends. Estimate casualties between
The tour just finished. It was really good. It's 10:22, and we're looking around with a bunch of artifacts and stuff are placed. There's some toys. So it's 11:18 and we're trying to figure out like the plan for today. And we go, and so we're gonna go look at the thing to see when Aquatica closes, and the park's closed until Thursday. So yeah, we didn't know that.
See the tiger?
Whoa. We just ordered our food. I got pasta, he got seafood, and yeah. I'm so hungry.
Attention Rainforest Cafe! Got a very special guest in the house today with us. We've got Shala celebrating her 15th birthday, guys. Please clap it up for her. Woo! Today we're going to sing our version of the birthday song. You guys may not know the words, just please clap along to make her day very, very special. 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy, happy birthday from all of us to you. We wish you something special, we made it just for you. We hope you have a super fun and terrific day. So happy, happy birthday from Rainforest Cafe. Hey! Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We'll grab you guys some little plates real quick.
Thank you. So they put me in like a seat 10 rows behind Dad. So he upgraded my seat, so now I get a window seat. Yay! Just left. We're dress shopping. So those dresses don't work and I can't wear white because my sister's wearing white. So now we're gonna go look somewhere else.
I can see I would go there first and then the other one.
So we just left, and now we're gonna go to the North Star Mall. It's supposed to be 2 booths, so I'm really excited to see that. And we're like 13 minutes away.
At the light, turn right onto College Avenue, then turn right onto East Rector Drive.
So we're in the Dillards, and the dresses here are expensive. But we are going to look at other stores now. We've just been walking around looking in different stores. So we went to a Lego store. I got a free minifig for my birthday. It's so cute. So my phone died, so I couldn't record, but I got my dress. I'm not gonna show y'all till the homecoming vlog, because there will probably be a vlog. I was filming a homecoming vlog, but then I forgot halfway through. So here's some pictures. And if you guys want me to tell you about homecoming, I will. So yeah. I can tell you it does fit the theme pretty well. Right now we're on our way to In-N-Out. So that's exciting. Bless you. Pink lemonade. I got the hamburger. You got animal style, whatever that means. So we're leaving In-N-Out now and we're going back home. It's only a 20-minute drive. So yeah. So we just got home and now we're kind of like packing up the room because we leave tomorrow. We're gonna leave early. So I want to go to Buc-ee's because I need to buy the chapstick, and then I might buy like a shirt or a stuffed animal. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh, I got this from the Alamo.